Differences between investment types. Saving money is an essential way to survive in this complex world. During emergencies, these savings helps you live your life comfortably and make you proud of your own decision. Of course, when you save money, you actually invest in your future. But that is just one way. There are many ways by which you can create a better life for yourself and your family, out of which investing is the better option. In today's video, we will be talking about the different type of investments you can practice to make your life safe and secure for the future. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our channel. Bonds. The first type of investment that you should try out is bond. Don't think of it as James Bond fiction. It is actually a loan that an investor makes to a corporate agency or the government in return for interest payments. Consider yourself as the investor. You can lend some amount of money either to the government or some federal agency who will keep paying you some interest amounts monthly. Then, when your bond matures after a while, you get the original amount back. Isn't that amazing? Well, the principal rates may not be much high, but the risks are low when bonds are considered, so you should definitely try it. Certificates of deposits. The second type of investments that is very different from the investment mentioned type and the upcoming investment types is the certificates of deposits, which are a type of loan systems as well. Still, in this case, you won't be getting the monthly interest like in bonds. In these types of investment, you invest or make a loan for a certain amount of money to a bank for a predetermined period. After the period is over, you get your principal money back with an interest payment extension. The interest may not be as high as bonds, but it is risk-free as it is FDIC insured. Stocks. The most common and simplest type of investment that you can practice and do in your career is investing in stock. This one might be slightly different from all the ones mentioned above, as it consists of a few risk factors, but then again, the result for this type of investment is crazily amazing. So, it's a good option if you want to try it out. When you invest or buy stocks of some company, you are literally becoming the owner of some part of that company. It is like some equity or ownership status when stocks are considered, and you earn when the market moves in high places and lose money when the market is low and the prices are decreasing. Retirement plans. Since we are looking at some of the different kinds of investment plans, we can never ignore the retirement plans that many companies and banks provide. These are important for you when you're at the end of your professional career and are ready to enter the period to live comfortably at your home with your family and not become penniless. Certain schemes allows you to invest in bonds, stocks, and funds while you're still earning, and even after retirement, you can keep getting the interest if you continue investing. Therefore, retirement plans are very important for your future, and it is completely in your hands if you want to stay at home and enjoy your retirement or want to keep working even after you're done working for a long period. Mutual funds. Another one of the most common investment plans you can go for when you want to earn more of your saving is through mutual funds. Consider it more as a large pool for different investors to invest their money on stocks of several companies. They are handled and work in the same way as stocks or bonds, but with lesser risk, as investments in mutual funds are inherently diversified. So, that was all for today. Hope you all liked our video. Don't forget to comment on your views on this video, and we will see you in the next one.